Today we got one of my exes. Today we got tuna on potato bread. Mind y'all, I asked for turkey, but I eat the tuna too, so it's cool. We get a pass. Got this from the Poppy store. Like, he ain't put nothing. Damn, hold up. Let me let y'all get a bite. Here, eat. I don't give a fuck if you don't like tuna. It's the only store I let make my tuna because they use the actual tuna off the can. Oh, you notice I got a haircut. I saw you staring too hard. What chips you want? I'm getting you. I bought it. You getting this one? Yeah. Oh yeah, for y'all asking, that's my little brother. I'm about to tell my mom you talking about her. Yes, she had a kid that old. I know what you just said, and I'm telling her. He's about to turn 5, and I'm gonna buy him. He want a bike, so I'm gonna buy him a bike. And my mom allergic to seafood. She wasn't before, but she allergic to seafood, so he don't really get to eat it. So I'm gonna get him a seafood boil. We're gonna drop a seafood video probably next week and see how you like it. That should be a good video. Everfresh cranberry strawberry. Go ahead and say, you always got the best drinks. I know. Drink. I damn near drunk the whole thing. Alright. But I put my food in the camera. Alright. I'm about to. I want to have a little drink, but I'm not allowed to drink on. They gave me a Monster 7 to take for a week. Can you drink with that? My leg is alright. It's just the spot that the teeth didn't even go in, another side, still swollen and lumpy. I was supposed to go back. I had work these last 2 days, but I told him I wasn't going. Here, we eat off each other. You can eat this part. But stop saying I look like everybody hates Chris. But I'm about to go. I don't really want to share no more. See y'all.